Stop making AI construction videos. The market has shifted, and there is new content that is performing insanely well, where channels post epoxy table renovation videos, or waste wood, transformed into table. Just check out this channel and go to their popular videos section. Look at the views. Most of their top videos have millions of views. If you're worried about monetization, don't be. We can check that live right now. Copy their channel link, go to a monetization checker website, paste it, and boom, you can see the results for yourself. If you still don't trust me, you can check it on any website you like. So enough wasting time, let's jump straight into today's video tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create these types of viral epoxy table renovation videos using 100% free AI tools with the help of our master prompt. We've created a universal prompt that gives you concept generation prompts and master prompts to generate videos. Basically, you don't need to do anything manually. Everything is automated for you. You will get the link to this prompt in the description, and also if you want, I can provide you personally in your comment. Just comment prompt and I will personally reply you. Now to use site prompt. First, copy the concept prompt and open Grok AI. Paste the prompt and run it. After a few seconds, you'll get 10 different video ideas. Each idea will show estimated view potential, which basically tells you which videos are likely to go viral. Pick the ones with high viral potential because the system also tells you why they could go viral. For example, we'll choose the third idea. Next, go back to the master prompt. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Find the line that says enter title here and replace it with your selected video title. For example, Stone River Coffee Table. Run the prompt and you'll get image prompts, scene by scene, and video prompts. To generate images, we'll use Google Flow. Even with a free account, you can generate around 50 to 60 images, which is more than enough. First, click New Project. If you are using the free version, select Nano Banana 2, not Pro. You'll see a message that says, generating will use 0 credits. This means no credits will be used, and you can generate images completely for free. Now, select Portrait Mode. Then choose how many images you want per prompt. Normally, I recommend 2 images. Go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt number 1, paste it in Google Flow, and run it. Repeat the process for all prompts, the second, third, fourth, and so on. Once the images are generated, select the ones you like and download them. Free accounts can download in 1080p, which is more than enough. After all images are ready, we move to video creation using Grok AI. Go to Grok Imagine, then Animate Image. Upload your first image and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Copy the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. Wait a bit, and your first video will be ready. Then upscale the video by going to Edit, Upscale Video, and finally download it. Repeat the same steps for all images and scenes. Keep in mind we're creating cinematic videos, not time-lapse, so each scene is cut and not a continuous single camera shot. If your free generation limit ends, don't worry. There is a trick to use Grok AI free version unlimited, and the link is in the video description. Once all videos are ready, open any video editing software, import all clips in order, and you'll notice a Grok watermark at the bottom. Select 9:16 aspect ratio and crop the video slightly to remove the watermark. And that's it. Your video is ready to publish. Thanks a lot for watching. If you follow this method, you can create viral AI generated videos for free. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates.